Hello folks, welcome to Outrageous ATV Builds, and in today's video we're going to be working on this 750 Yamaha. At some point we're going to be mounting a 459 Predator engine on it from Harbor Freight, but for right now we've got to get the frame all stripped down to the bare bones so that we can repaint everything and rewire everything before we put a motor on it. So welcome to the channel. Man, we got spiders up in there. I don't know what kind of spider that is, but that could be a brown recluse. I ain't farting around with them. I got me some B12 carburetor cleaner. I'm finna kill them. You're here to tell you they ain't gonna live through that. I'm not planning on using any of this. Anyway, we're gonna put it up and save it. Might need some parts off of it. So we're not gonna try to use any of this neither. Well, that rubber grip is on there pretty good. Hey, maybe we'll try the old air trick, see if it'll work. Look at there, it works every time. Okay, we'll get our motor up in there and we can start mocking things up. Folks, I got us a piece of pipe in here for now. That'll represent the swing arm so that we can get all our alignments right for our jack shaft and our chain and our sprockets and everything. So we do have a 3/4 inch jag shaft with bearings and everything, a complete kit ordered, but it won't be in until next week. So for today, we're just going to use a piece of rod. Somehow, we're supposed to get this in here somewhere. That's going to be harder. That's easier said than done. So we definitely gonna need to raise the engine or move the engine forward so that we can drop this pulley down. It's rubbing here on the frame. And I don't want this pulley with this belt on it running real, that close to the exhaust, because it's just going to burn up.